Okay, the next step is going to be to upload the website files to the new hosting provider. So if I click up here on the connections and connect to Bluehost, I should see that the directory is already created when I went through the domain assignment process. And so if I scroll down here and I see all my domains, there it is right there. Now, if you're having some trouble connecting your FTP client, FileZilla, to the website, you can go up on the website and find it. And I'll show you again here. We use the hosting name, which is a little bit blurred out since all that's kind of private information. And then the user ID and password go here. So if I go over to the website, I can come down here and I can see that the username is here, and I've set up my own FTP username and password using the FTP functions, and they are, if I can find them, FTP accounts right up here at the top. And that's where you can go in and assign yourself a login and a password for the FTP site. So that's where you'd put those credentials in, and then you'd come over here in your FileZilla and you'd enter all that stuff there, and that's the way you're able to connect. So I'm going to cancel out of that, and as I can see, there's nothing. There's just some default files in there. We're going to blow all those out because they are all of that is already contained in the information from WordPress. So I'm simply going to just delete all this stuff. So I'm back. Simply delete all of that and get rid of that. So now I'm going to take all of this information that I'm taking right off my desktop. I'm going to highlight all of it, and I'm going to copy it up to Bluehost. And again, that's going to take a little while, so we'll pause here and come back when that's done. Okay, now you can see that all the files have been successfully uploaded. You look down here, it's over 6,500 successful transfers. For me, with my internet connection, this took about an hour, so you'll want to budget that time. And you will also, okay, so the next step in the process is to import the SQL file, to create the database and import the SQL file into the new database on Bluehost's phpMyAdmin. So again, just to recap the steps that we took here, we've downloaded the web files, which are these here. Then we have backed up the SQL database. We've created the website domain in Bluehost. We have created a database in Bluehost, or we haven't done that yet, but we will. And now we have uploaded the website files to the directory structure that we built with the domain in Bluehost. And then the next step will be to import the SQL database information into the Bluehost environment.